Living out in the country, it gets super dark at night, so I'm hoping these are going to make a big difference. I'm going to pull them out of the box, show you what you get, and then we can test them out in real time and see how bright they really are. So one of the problems living in the country is getting electricity to certain spots. Like, it's not really feasible to run a couple hundred feet of electrical wire. So we've got these, which are solar. So it's got a nice big solar light on the top, right, or a solar panel on top, and basically it looks like a street light, really. So the cool thing is each box here comes with 2 of them, which is really helpful. Lay them out. You want to put them in a spot where they're going to get a good amount of sun. And also has 2 separate remotes and a bunch of mounting brackets and stuff. After I get them mounted, I'll show you what they look like. But a couple of the settings on here, it looks like you're able to, it tells you the battery, which is nice, how much battery it's charged. It tells you when to recharge it and all that. You're going to get a good amount of sun. And also has 2 separate remotes and a bunch of mounting brackets and stuff. After I get them mounted, I'll show you what they look like. But a couple of the settings on here, it looks like you're able to, it tells you the battery, which is nice, how much battery it's charged. It tells you when to recharge it and all that. Also, you can set these, oh, you want to see it better? Also, you can set this up to be motion activated, which is really nice because when someone walks out there, that's the whole point. You want the light to be able to turn on. Whether it's an animal creeping up on you or a person in the dark, you want to be able to see. And it's also got a remote. So this is one thing I really liked about it, is when we're out here in the country, sometimes we want to go out and look at the stars, and it's super frustrating when you have a motion light that just turns on and you can't turn it off. So now if we want to go look at the stars, we can just push this button and turn off the motion light, which is really helpful. All right, let's go ahead and mount these up. And then I got it up on the pole, and there's a couple different ways you can mount it. One, it comes with this bracket right here that you can attach and squeeze onto a pole. Also, it has some other different mounting brackets. For me though, it was easier just to screw it right to the wooden post right there. And also, it came with 2 different remotes, which is super useful because while for some people they might only need 1 remote, if you have this here and another one 700 feet in another direction, you don't have to carry the remote there, so you can have the remote in different locations, which is helpful. So each box has 2 lights and 2 different remotes, which is helpful to be able to turn it on. And there's a couple different settings right here, so you could turn it on 25%, 50%, and then also you could put it on so it stays for 3 hours, 5 hours, or 4 hours, and put it on auto, so when somebody walks underneath, it's going to turn on automatically, which is super helpful, especially living out here in the dark. So I'm super grateful to be able to have these lights. I'm going to get them all set up, and now I don't have to worry about people creeping around at night, and maybe I'll even see a cool animal. So if you're looking for a nice, cool solar light, I definitely check these out.